Due to COVID-19, all East Baton Rouge Parish documentation will be uploaded into your child's Google Classroom for you to sign virtually. In order to access your child's Google Classroom, you must know their login and password. Once you're in the Google Classroom system, you will simply locate the classroom and click on the name. Once there, you will see the home page, but you want to locate the actual documentation. So you will go to the Classwork tab at the very top of the page. Click on Classwork, and somewhere along this page, you will be able to locate your child's consent documents, any documentation requiring your signature. Depending on the teacher, it will be located in various places within the classroom. Locate the documentation, and it may be open like how it was just now. If not, simply click on the actual assignment and it will open up for you just like that. You have a few options now. Of course, you'll have directions here guiding you through the steps. Once you review the steps and the directions, click on your PDF attachments and actually read through the documentation. Take a few moments to do this. Once done, and you've reread and you've thoroughly reviewed the entire documents, in the right-hand corner, you have the option that says Open with Cami. Click on Open with Cami, and a new window will open up for you. This little window may open up, prompting you to authorize Google Drive. Let's go ahead and hit Authorize Google Drive. You're going to choose your child's login and password. It may prompt you to sign in one more time just for authorization, and click Allow on the various boxes that pop up. If it's your child's first time using Cami, it may ask you to complete a sign up. So go ahead and go through the process to sign up your account. Once you're done creating the account, the actual document will open up in the Cami platform for you to review once again. Take a few moments to review before signing, and using the options on the left-hand side in the menu bar, you will be able to complete the actual documentation and sign it virtually. There are a couple of checkboxes here on this specific document, so you can use the drawing tool to check off these items. After checking off each item, you can use the signature icon down here in your menu to digitally sign the document. Click Signature, and you have a few options. You have Upload Image, Draw Signature, or Draw Signature on your iPhone. If you're using a phone, you can of course use your finger to draw the signature on your phone. However, maybe you're using a laptop. Choose Draw Signature, and using your mouse, just write out your signature. Hit Upload, and your signature will upload to the documents. Right here, you have the option to now review your signature and hit Insert. You can now move your mouse where you want to drop your signature and click it, and voila, you can now resize it if you choose and move it around to kind of align it where you would like it to go. For your date and your printed signature, at the very top, towards the middle of your menu over here, you have the option to do a text box. Click the text box and then move your cursor where you would like to type in the dates. And then of course your printed name. You can of course make the text a lot larger by highlighting it and coming to your drop down and enlarging your text, because maybe it's a little bit too small for you. And you can of course once again move it around or resize it using the box right here. Once you have signed the entire documents, make sure you remove your signature from your student's account to avoid any potential issues in the future. Where the signature button is, going back over here, you're going to click on Signature, and you want to remove the signature from your account. So you're going to hover your mouse over where your current signature is, click the X, and the signature has now disappeared and is removed off of your account. Close out of this box once more, and your document has now been signed, but you must turn it in back to the teacher. To turn it in back to the teacher, over here in the right-hand corner of your Cami screen, where my mouse is, there's a little floppy disk and the word turn in. Click on turn in, and this little box will open up. You have a lot of different options here. You see the option to also, of course, you have your name of your documents, etc. Go ahead and hit turn in. It's going to save to your students' Google Drive, and it will turn it in to the Google Classroom platform. Once you go back to Google Classroom and you refresh your page, it will show that the assignment has been turned in, and you're done.